So question 2 on the graphics sample paper. Part A, using the list given below, label each triangle in the space provided. So scaling. First of all, we're trying to find a scaling triangle. So scaling is all sides are of different length. Okay, and it looks like it potentially could be either this one or this one. Let's just check. Are they of different length? I'll use my compass just to do that. So that side and that side, yeah, they're of different length, and same with there. So my scaling is the green one. My right angle triangle, okay, I can see here that this is a right angle triangle. Equilateral, here's my equilateral triangle. Okay, if you wanted to double check, that would be a 60-degree angle, and so would this be a 60-degree angle, and all sides would be the same length. So that distance is the same as that distance. You can see that there. Okay, and it'll be 60 degrees in here also. So that's my equilateral. So scaling, right angle, equilateral, and finally isosceles. This must be the isosceles, but just to show you, the length of this side is equal to the length of this side, but not that side. So two sides of equal length, here and here, isosceles. Okay, so part B. The image across shows the design for a kite ABC based on triangles. So kite ABCD based on triangles. The lines BE, so B to E, and D to E, bisect the angles ABC and CDA respectively. So, just to be clear on that, we've got BE and ABC are linked, and we've got DE and CDA. So BE is the bisector of angle ABC, and DE is the bisector of angle CDA. So shown below is the incomplete drawing of a similar kite. Complete the drawing of the kite by finding point E. So we need to find point E by bisecting those lines. Show clearly all constructions. So we can't just measure, we need to show our constructions. So I'll start here with BE, that line. So I'm going to bisect this angle. Set my compass to any distance and swing an arc. Okay, where that arc crosses the sides of my angle, that's going to locate a point. Compass set to any distance again, swing an arc, and swing another arc of the same length. They have to be of the same length. And that is my bisector. Okay, just draw it lightly for now. We have to repeat the same process over here with D, or angle ADE. So compass set to any distance again, swing an arc. That will locate 1 point, 2 points. Compass set to any distance, but remember it can change from here on in. Swing an arc, swing an arc. At that point I will join back to D and extend through. That is finding me point E. Now draw that in heavy. Okay, so there are my bisectors, and they want us to complete the drawing, so I need to join A to E and also C to E. And that should be a vertical line joining all of those perfectly. Okay, so showing all the constructions, and finally color or shade the completed drawing. So I'll just pause the video while I do that. So there I have my kite coloured and shaded in. On to part C. The image shows a jewellery shop logo based on an equilateral triangle. Okay, so they're saying there's an equilateral triangle here. It is going to be this triangle, I imagine. Complete the drawing of the jewellery shop logo by locating the centre of the circle. So here we have our circle, and they're telling us the first thing I have to do is locate the centre of it. So what I'm going to do is draw two random chords. Okay, it doesn't matter where the chords are. One, and another random one here. Two. Okay, if I bisect those chords, the bisecting line will run through the middle of my circle. Because I bisected two, I'll find where they intersect. So we bisect both of those chords. Okay, and here's my bisecting line. I'll do the same thing on this side. As I said, you can draw your chords anywhere. Compass, keep it at the same distance when I'm bisecting. So that is the center of my circle. Okay, so locating the center of the circle, completed. Part 2, complete the logo as shown in the image on the right. Show all constructions clearly. So, looking here, we'll start off with the triangle, I suppose, because that's a key geometry that they've mentioned. They said it's an equilateral triangle. So, all the sides are going to be the same. They've given me the length of AB. I know that this is 60 degrees. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, from my center of my I can draw 60-degree line, and that should bang on with B. And 60 degrees again, and that's bang on with A. I'll just go heavy over the line that they've given us. So that's the first piece. Now the top of my, I suppose, ring, we have this arc, and that arc radius, the distance hasn't been given to us, but we do have we can find the center to be, and that will give me the length of that arc. So compass, set that up to B or to A. You know, I'll do it from A, I suppose, and I can swing that arc like so. So that's the top of my ring. And then finally, I have this other circle running around the outside. Okay, so I've already drawn, or was given, this internal circle. The external circle, I can see, touches the ring at that point, I suppose the diamond at that point. So that will be the length of my radius. So just to find that exact point, I'm going to draw a light line up. So that is the length of my radius. Compass, set to that radius. I'm going to swing my arc, swing my circle around like so. Okay, making sure we're putting pressure through the pin of our compass. So there's nothing mentioned there about colouring, so that is part B, sorry, question 2 completed on the sample paper.